Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact institution name and your student ID. This avoids delays. Next, sign into the college portal or registrar site. If you don't have an account, create one now and verify your email. Make sure you know the last term you attended and whether the school uses a third-party vendor. Those steps determine the path. Once done, prepare your payment method and any authorization details so you can complete the request without interruption. You now fill out the transcript request form, choose official versus unofficial and electronic versus mailed copy, because recipients often require specific formats. Enter recipient details exactly. One wrong character can bounce delivery. Then pick the delivery method and any additional options, like secure PDF or courier. Make sure to select processing speed that matches your deadline, and if ID upload or signature authorization is required. You complete the process by saving the confirmation and payment receipt, screenshot the page, and email the records to yourself. Then monitor the email updates or vendor tracking link for delivery status. Processing can take days, so allow the stated window before escalating. If the transcript is delayed or rejected, make sure there are no holds on your student account, confirm identity verification steps were completed, and contact the registrar with your confirmation number to request expedited resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.